you like to eat? Spaghetti? What did you do there? Makuryente ka ron. Go there, play with them. Nana, give it back. Put it back there. Do not take, huh? Borrow only, borrow. Do not take. Okay, play with them. Play with them na, play na. No. Go there. You will start playing games na. I know, they're playing games. Go there na, play na. You watch them, and then after they play, you will play. All of you will play. Okay? Oh, yes. Oh, you listen to teacher. When they stop the music playing, you need to sit down on the chair. Okay? While, okay, teacher said you need to move around on the chairs while dancing. Dancing, huh? When they stop the song, you need to sit down. Okay? Okay, huh? Okay. If you did not sit on the chair, you will be out of the game. And then you will not play anymore. You lose. So you better sit down on the chair first. Get it? Approve, huh? Approve. Here, approve. Oh, ayan, look. Oh, look. Look, oh, see? And they are walking. You need to select the chair where you want to sit. Okay? See, they are all moving in circles around the chairs. Suddenly the music will stop. When the music stops, oh look, they're going to get the chair. Ah! Oh, what happened? What happened to you? Who lose? Who lose? Who lose the game? Okay, did you see? Is it fun? Okay. Oh, again. They will play again. Oh, dance na to. Look, oh, they're moving. See? Dance sila, oh. Okay. When the song stops, they need to sit down the chair first. Hi. How are you? Okay. Oh, no, go with them. Watch your play with them. Oh, look. Oh. Who lose? Oh, who lose again?
That one.
Oh, no, that one. The other on the other side. Because the other one sit down on the other lap. So he did not sit down on the chair first. If you did not sit down on the chair first, she oh, look. Oh, now, look again. Oh, they are moving around again. around. Look, oh, they move again, oh. See, look at them again, look at them again. Oh, they stop again. Listen. Wait for your turn. It's different group, not your group. Yeah. After they play, you and her and your other friends will game, separate game. Oh, game, ha? Oh, again. Okay, again, ha? Look. Yay! Sit down, she's out of the game. She's out of the game. So you better sit down first. You better smart and quick, right? Kaya, again, oh, they start again the game. Start again. Oh, they're moving very fast. So you need to move fast also, huh? You need to move fast, sit down fast. But very careful, huh? Okay? Can you try from your chair? Oh, look at it. Oh! So, can you try here in your chair? Here. Go down there, go down. Here, try to sit down here. Sit down alone. Can you? Can you reach? Huh? Oh, like that, huh? Oh, one more. Try again. Try. Go down. Go. Dance. Sit down. Oh, then sit down here. Here, sit down here in your chair. Sit down. And like that. Very nice. Good job. Good job, huh? Oh, good job. You lost the game. Oh. Who did not sit the chair? Oh, he lost again. He's out of the game. See? He's out of the game. Oh, he lost. He's not cheating that.
Hindi na, sali na.
Nana, going back there. Mamaya later.
Picture na po. Picture na po. Okay.
Mali pa po tayo sa church, hindi po pala tayo pwede dito. Masakit namin pala talaga. Sorry po, hindi po namin kasi na-prepare kahapon at mayroon kong malimbang gabi. So sabi namin dito na
Wait, wait.
lang. Sobrang sakit pala naman namin talaga. Hindi pa po pinakapagpagin. Ganun na lang po, pasensya lang po.
Okay. Play with them. Go. Play with them. Play. Do not remove. Go. Play with the children. Play with them.
Siguro po kaya ang muna para busog na kayo sa mga kapatid bago po tayo magmanalo. Kasi medyo ipupunsok natin mga sa laro ko is kaso mabubutin na po kayo. So, ganun po ayos na po pala.
Go. Play with them. Go with them.
Sige po, bago po tayo mag-umpisa, ano po muna tayo? Prayer po muna, hindi natin meeting. Para po sa food. Sige po, tayo po muna sa naging para po panalangin natin ang mga pagbabago.
Yan na.
Ay, dyan po siguro